This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday spoke to Chief Ministers of Manipur, Tripura and Sikkim on the COVID-related situation in these states. Sources in the central government said that the Prime Minister took stock of the situation related to healthcare facilities and vaccination in these states. The centre has provided over 17 crores 35 lakh free vaccine doses to the states and union territories so far. Out of the total, nearly 16 crore 44 lakh doses have been used by them, which also includes slight wastage component. The Union Health Ministry has informed that the states and union territories still have more than 90 lakh thousand doses available with them to be administered. It added that in the next 3 days, over 10 lakh COVID vaccine doses will be given to the states and union territories to replenish their stocks and continue incessantly with the vaccination drive. The central leadership of the BJP has told Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal and Senior Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma to reach Delhi today and both of them to meet party's National President JP Nadda. The issue of next Chief Minister in Assam is expected to be discussed today. Though the BJP with its allies retained power in Assam, the party is yet to declare the name of the next Chief Minister of the state. Along with Sonowal, the name of Sarma is also being discussed as the next Chief Minister of the state. The African swine fever, which killed more than 1,700 pigs in over a month in Mizoram, is yet to be contained, an official said yesterday. The disease is spreading to other areas, even though the daily death toll in the epicenter showed a declining trend for a few weeks. Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department Joint Director, Livestock Health Dr. Lal Mingthanga said. 21 pig deaths due to the ASF were reported yesterday. Lal Mingthanga said samples for the testing have been collected from the pigs that had unusual deaths. He said, adding that the cause of the death is yet to be established. Amid sudden upsurge of COVID-19 positive cases, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh reviewed the present situation in a virtual interaction with DCs, SPs, CMOs of different districts and doctors of RIMS, JNIMS and COVID care centers yesterday. Speaking at the video conference, the Chief Minister expressed serious concern over the sudden rise in the number of casualties and positive cases in the past couple of days. He urged the district administration and the doctors to strengthen measures to save lives and put in best efforts to flatten the COVID curve. For this, the Chief Minister stated all the DCs are authorized to declare curfew in their respective jurisdiction. Nagaland reported its second highest single-day spike of 309 fresh cases of COVID-19 since September 11, 2020. The total case load in the state now increased to 15,580. In addition, one more COVID death was also reported, including 112 recoveries. Health Minister S. Pangyopom in a tweet informed that 200 cases were detected from Dimapur, 63 in Kohima, 32 in Mon, 9 in Mokokchung, 3 in Pek and 2 from Zunheboto. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma held a review meeting at William Nagar in East Garo Hills district to assess the COVID situation and its preparedness to combat the ongoing pandemic. The Deputy Commissioner of the district, along with officials from the health department, including religious and community leaders attending the meeting. Later, the Chief Minister informed that the situation seems to be under control in the district as there are only 44 active cases and only one patient is hospitalized. The district has approximately 23 ICU beds, to which the Chief Minister said the infrastructure needs to be expanded. Meghalaya registered 6 COVID-19 related deaths from East Khasi Hills district, tallying the number of fatalities to 199 so far, while 297 fresh new cases were also registered yesterday. Directorate of Health Services in a statement informed that the total number of active cases till date has reached 2,466. The state also recorded 176 recoveries, bringing the total recovered cases to 16,262. So far, 3,38,032 doses have been administered, out of which 2,70,953 people have received the first dose and 67,079 have received the second dose. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.